Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter. First method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and re-enable network adapter. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters, click Run under Network and Internet. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse my computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapter, right-click network adapter, click Uninstall device, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.